What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So it's officially fall and I'm seeing everyone posting all these beautiful videos of like lookbooks and stuff, and I really wanted to do one, so I tried my best. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'll go ahead and try to link some stuff, but most of the items I have are things I already had in my closet, and they're pretty old and stuff. So I'll try to link that down below and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you do see some of my clothes kind of blown in the wind, it's because I had my fan set up. So, because it's hot. It's maybe fall, but it's still hot. You may see me like, I'm sweating right now. So, yeah, so the good thing, like when it's breezy and like the sun's going down, at night it gets colder, and like the morning time it's cold. So it's just like when that sun is out, it's like out and beaming. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up and comment something down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.